we get this question quite a bit, especially now because we're in a buyout boom. There are a lot of private equity firms or family offices and even some strategic buyers that are making unsolicited offers to buy companies. And we will usually hear almost as a challenge, why shouldn't I just do this myself? They've already hit my number. I like the way the letter of intent looks, and I've been working with my attorney for 20 years. We can just get this done, right? And that might be the right way to go. I say might with heavy emphasis on probably not. And the reason is simply this. It doesn't seem logically like the highest price and the best terms are going to come from not taking your business out to market and creating a little bit of competitive tension and seeing what strategic and financial buyers might pay. You might end up landing on that first letter of intent and signing it and moving towards the transaction. And you may or may not use your corporate attorney, or you may bring in a more experienced merger and acquisition attorney. But generally speaking, you're not going to chase away a serious buyer by bringing in other professionals and looking at what your company competitively might be worth. The buyer you will chase away will be one who's trying to steal your company away from you at a low price. So sunlight here is the best disinfectant. Go ahead and shine a light on the process. If it's a good offer to begin with, it'll hold up. And if not, you don't want to sell to that buyer anyway.